In this video, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot MySQL Workbench. So sometimes we have properly installed MySQL Workbench without an issue and no bug in our installing, but we cannot make any connections to our database. Let me show you first the problem that I am facing. So this is my MySQL Workbench, and if I want to make a connection with my local instance, it is, see, the problem is no connection established, right? It's not able to establish, and it open and it's saying server status stopped. So to troubleshoot this one in the Windows operating system, we have to find services. So in the services, if I open it, and in here I have to find MySQL, right? So what is MySQL? See, MySQL 80. If I click over here, it's saying it has not started. It means it is asking if I want to start. So if I click in the start, so now it says stop, pause, restart, right? So let me check what has happened. So if I refresh, so it is asking me my password. I mistyped it. Okay. So now the connection has established, right? So let me double check. So if I go over here, or let me close this workbench and reopen the workbench. So if I connect, open it, and so this is, I'm clicking over here and I'm getting a prompt to enter my password to make any connections. And yep, I've got the connections. So if I run the code, execute it, I'm getting all my tables, right? So this is how to make connections to troubleshoot the MySQL Workbench if it can't make any connections. So this much for this video. See you in the next video.